Namaskar, my name is Rajnesh Patil and today I am going to teach you the benefit of finance specialization. So first of all, I would like to give you a quick introduction about myself. I am Rajnesh Patil, I am from Nagpur. I have taught more than 25,000 MBA students in the past 17 years. I run an institute called Patil Classes. I run an NGO called Kusumtai Foundation. I take classes of MBA students on a day-to-day basis. I am a YouTuber with about 1000 plus subscriber and I would request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am a speaker having spoken at some of the larger stages of various college likes Crescendo, Agban, Kashti and name a few. I have been traveling across Maharashtra in order to deliver and train students on financial management. I am an author and author 25 books and most of these books relate to financial management and other subjects of the management. That was just a quick introduction about myself, friends. It's a quick request. If you guys are watching this video, please follow me on Instagram. That's my username management.guru, and take a photograph and post it with the hashtag I'm an awesome teacher. Now let's come to the topic why you should pursue finance as a career and how do you really make success in finance. The most important thing is having clarity and the purpose about your finance specialization. You should be clear in your career prospectus. You should set the example in front of the society. Now the question is, what are the opportunities in the finance field? There are a number of opportunities available in the finance field, which are as under दोस्तों. तो देखेंगे opportunities are in the field of banking. You can work in the capacity of a bank officer, marketing officer. You can enter the field of insurance and work in the capacity of advisor, back office executive. You can enter in the field of stock market and work in the capacity of security analyst, forex and derivative tradings. Or there is another alternative available in finance specialization, that is corporate finance. You can work as a finance executive, treasury and cash management. There are various services, various operations handled in the finance department in a company. You can work as a consultant, work as a tax consultant, giving your services to various fractions of the societies, and you can implement the finance knowledge in your own business. So all these things will be cleared in your finance specialization and in the upcoming webinar.